Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruhi Kapoor, consultant prosthodontist, Dental Wellness Clinic. Today we are here to talk about missing teeth. So each and every person we see today are having either one or more missing teeth, but we are ignoring them. We feel that if one missing tooth is there, it's okay, we can eat from the other side and it is manageable. Few people who are having more than one missing teeth, like in upper jaw all missing teeth are there, then they will say that we have teeth in our lower jaw, we are able to eat. So this is how we are ignoring the treatment that we require. How a missing tooth can affect our dental health. If one tooth is missing, what happened to the other teeth? The upper tooth starts coming down, the teeth adjacent to the missing area, they get tilted, so the space that is actually required to replace that tooth is gone. So now patient visits us after 13-14 years that now my tooth is missing since long, and but I have problem in chewing food, so kindly help me. So at this stage even a doctor cannot help you. We cannot replace that tooth because the space is already obliterated. But if the tooth has been replaced at the time of extraction or within few months after extraction, you are having a more healthy jaw and a dentition. Similarly, we talk about people who are having more than one missing teeth in upper or the lower jaw. Definitely, we require teeth on all sides, upper and lower both, so that they can chew food equally. Without chewing food, the food is not able to provide us the nutrients, vitamins and minerals that our body requires. It further affects our metabolism and the digestive system also. So a proper chewing pattern for the food is very important, and for proper chewing we need teeth on both sides, on both upper and lower as well. How we can replace our missing teeth? We have different options of replacing missing teeth. They can be divided into two options. One is a removable one and other is the fixed one. In removable we talk about dentures. Denture can be full denture or denture can be partial denture. But nowadays denture is not a preferable option for the patient since they are removable and patient is not able to chew food properly as they used to chew with their own food. So in fixed we have options of crown and bridges. So many people are aware of what is a crown and a bridge. It is equal to your own fixed tooth. We take support from the adjacent teeth and we replace the missing component. Nowadays we are aware of dental implants also. In case where we cannot take support of adjacent teeth, we can replace the tooth with the help of an implant. Implant is a alone standing tooth. It will take the force of food just as your own tooth, and you feel it as a lifetime replacement of the tooth. So even if your one tooth is missing, you must come and ask for a replacement from your dentist. If you have more than one missing teeth, or if you have been wearing dentures, and even if you have problem of the denture is loose, many old patients complain our denture is loose, we are not able to chew food. We have solutions to that problem also. We can hold your denture on the jaw with the help of implants, and again the denture can be stable and you will be able to chew food properly. But in COVID pandemic, what we are observing that patients are very scared to visit the dental clinics. They feel if they are going to a dental clinic with their problem, they might get exposed to the COVID-19. But here in Dental Wellness Clinic, we all doctors and assistants and our working staff are taking the 4-step sterilization protocol. Our clinic is properly fumigated and we are following all the sanitization protocols, wearing masks, caps, head caps and gowns while doing the patient. Even all instruments are UV sterilized before they are being used on the patient. So you don't need to be afraid. Anytime you feel any dental issue, call us, have a video consult with the doctor, and after you are comfortable, kindly visit the dental clinic and get your treatment completed. Thank you.